America and you're not helping the Muslim. You get paid for what you do. Christianity, you are deceiving yourself. Yes, they stop preaching. Where are you getting it from, the shirt? You have to pay to get a shirt. Christianity is a business. Christianity is a business. Christianity is a business. You are deceiving yourself. You are deceiving yourself. You do not help the Muslim. You do not help the Muslim. Jesus was kind and he don't challenge the people. You're full of arrogance. You challenge the people. You need to get on your knees, Christian. You need to get on your knees. Jesus is not a real name, it's Yahusha. And he was kind, and he was love, and he cared. He don't get paid like you do. You come from America and get paid to what you do, Christian.
Good Christian, Adi.
You're not humble.
You're a real Christian, man.
You don't have humility.
You're a real Christian.
Good Christian.
Go back to France.